Khalifa with WTI. Are you in need of chalkboard, maybe for your kitchen to jot down shopping lists, or in your child's room so they can have a place to doodle? Well, this chalkboard contact paper is sticky paper on one side and chalkboard on the other. I love it. It's a long roll. It is about 17 inches wide, but it is long. So I get a lot of chalkboard. I can put it anywhere in my home where I want to have a chalkboard, and I still have enough to go around. What I love about it is that it has the grid on one side, so you can't go wrong with your measurements. You just measure what you need and cut it, or you just use the whole thing. I also love the fact that it comes with 5 pieces of chalk, so I can mix and match my colors. I can doodle as much as I want, and I won't be running out anytime soon. It's wipeable, so whatever I write on, I can wipe it off. It's easy to use. All you have to do is cut your desired length and then peel it and stick it. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. I love this chalkboard wall sticker. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.